So a couple of fresh images of the DJI Mini 5 Pro have popped up, and honestly, we were all kind of waiting for DJI to start dropping teasers by now, but nope, that didn't happen. Instead, Roland Quant stepped in and dropped some promo shots that are keeping the hype alive. Now, Jasper Ellens was pretty confident earlier that the launch would be on the 16th, but even he's not so sure anymore. The thing is, DJI usually announces their launch dates at least a week in advance, and since that hasn't happened yet, it's got everyone second guessing. But hey, leaks are leaks. Sometimes they nail it, sometimes they don't. That said, Roland has shared quite a few promo images, and while there isn't a ton of new info to dissect, there is one detail we missed to mention in our previous videos. The Mini 5 Pro is officially rated at 81 decibels, the same as the Mini 4 Pro. That means it still falls within the EU's drone noise classification rules. Funny thing though, independent tests showed the Mini 4 Pro was actually quieter than its official rating. Its noise level during a typical hover at a height of 1.5 meters came in closer to 67 decibels, which is about the same volume as a normal conversation. So we'll have to see if that's the case again. If you're curious about more details, we've linked our full video where we cover everything we know so far about the Mini 5 Pro. Switching gears, the folks at the new camera spotted a fresh listing for the DJI Osmo Nano on Adorama before it was pulled, giving us our first real look at pricing. The standard combo with 64 gigs was listed at $400, while the 128 gigs version showed up at $430, both with free shipping and monthly financing options. There was also an accessory listed, the bidirectional magnetic ball head assembly, priced at $35, aimed at giving creators more flexibility with their shots. You might have also seen that DJI's own social media team accidentally slipped an official image of the long-rumored Osmo Nano into a post that was meant to promote the DJI Mic 3. On top of that, YouTuber The Product Village uploaded a short clip introducing the Osmo Nano. That video not only confirmed a 128GB storage option, but also hinted that DJI is planning multiple accessory packs similar to what we've seen before. That's all for now. Let's see when DJI finally makes it official. Catch you in the next one. Peace.